Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's speaking practice topic is how to improve your English fluency. Many students say, I understand English, but I cannot speak fluently. If you also feel the same, don't worry, fluency doesn't come in one day. It improves slowly with regular practice, confidence, and patience. English is just like any other skill. If you practice daily, you will improve day by day. Today I will share some simple and practical ways to improve English fluency. First thing in English, most learners first think in Hindi and then translate into English. This process takes time and creates hesitation. Instead, try to think directly in English. For example, when you wake up in the morning, think today I have many tasks. I need to go to work. I should practice English today. These small thoughts help your brain become comfortable with English. At first, it may feel difficult, but after some days, it becomes natural. Second, speak English every day. Speaking is the most important part of the fluency. Many students only read grammar books. Grammar is important, but speaking practice is necessary. Try to speak English daily for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can speak in front of mirror. You can record your voice. You can speak with friends. You can even talk to yourself in English. Remember one thing, do not wait for perfect English. Fluent speakers also makes mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the more confidence you become. Third, improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary means the words you know. Without vocabulary, speaking becomes difficult. But don't try to memorize hundreds of difficult words. Learn simple and useful daily words. For example, instead of saying very tired, you can say exhausted. Exhausted. Instead of very happy, you can say excited. Learn 5 new words every day and use them in sentence. When you use new words regularly, they stay in your memory for a long time. Fourth, listen to English daily. Listening is very powerful. When you listen carefully, you learn pronunciation, sentence structure, and speaking style. You can listen to English podcast, interviews, YouTube videos, or English news. At first, you may not understand everything. That is completely normal. Focus on understanding the main idea. Slowly, your listening skill will improve. And when listening improves, speaking also improve automatically. Fifth, stop being afraid of mistakes. Fear is one of the biggest problem for English learner. Many students stay silent because they think, when if people laugh at me, what if my grammar is wrong? But remember this, Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistake helps us learn. If you never speak, you will never improve. So be confident. Speak slowly if needed, but speak regularly. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Sixth, practice pronunciation. Good pronunciation makes your English clear and easy to understand. You do not need a foreign accent. Just focus on clear pronunciation. Listen carefully to native speaker and grade after them. This method is called shadowing. For example, listen to one sentence and immediately repeat it. This improves fluency, pronunciation, and confidence together. Seventh, read English aloud. Reading aloud is an excellent exercise. When you read loudly, your tongue and brain work together. You improve pronunciation, speaking speed, and confidence. You can read stories, newspaper, or short articles. Even 10 minutes of loud reading daily can make a big difference. 8. Stay consistent. Consistency is the secret of success. Many students practice for 2 days and then stop. That is not enough. Even small daily practice is powerful. If you practice English for 30 minutes every day, your fluency will improve step by step. Remember, slow progress is still progress. Never quit. Finally, enjoy the learning process. Do not treat English as a burden. Enjoy it. Watch English movies, listen to songs, learn through conversations. The more you enjoy learning, the faster you improve. Believe in yourself. You can become a fluent English speaker. It only requires practice, patience, and confidence. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this English speaking practice, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning content. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.